How to sign up for Renderforest affiliate program. Hey guys, today we have got an exciting opportunity to talk about how to sign up for the Renderforest affiliate program. If you are looking to earn some extra income by promoting a fantastic online platform, you are in the right place. Let's dive into the steps. Before we jump into the sign up process, let's quickly introduce Renderforest. It's an all-in-one branding and video creation platform with tons of features, including a logo design, video editing, and more. You are a content creator, business owner, or just someone interested in earning commission, this affiliate program is for you. First thing first, to become a Renderforest affiliate, you'll need an active Renderforest account. If you don't have one, head over to renderforest.com and sign up. Plus, you'll need a platform where you can promote Renderforest like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account. Now you can see this interface on my screen. You can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you'll land on this page. Then you need to click on Apply Now. It will take you to the application page. If you have already an account, you can click on Login. But if you don't have an account, you need to provide your information, company information, and promotional information. Let's do it. Once you are done, take a moment to review the affiliate terms and conditions. It's important to understand the program rules and requirements. After reading, go ahead and accept them. You can also download program terms from here by clicking Download Program Terms. Now click on Sign Up and then click on Continue. And there you have it. Now they will review your application and will inform you by your email. You must check your email. Once they approve your application, now it's time to start promoting Renderforest. You can share your affiliate link on your blog, YouTube videos, social media, or any other platform where you have an audience. Be creative and explain why Renderforest is awesome. Back in Affiliate Dashboard, you can track your referrals, clicks, and commissions in real time. It's a great way to see how your promotions are performing. And there you have it. You are now officially a Renderforest affiliate. You're all set up to earn commissions for every user you refer. Just keep creating engaging content and spreading the word about Renderforest. That's wrap up today's videos on how to sign up for the Renderforest affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. And hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you have any question or need any assistance, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and best of luck with the Renderforest affiliate journey.